morning. Welcome to pre-market report on 3rd November 2022. So yesterday, Nifty closed around 18,082. So there was a intraday fall after market open, after maybe a gap up of 50 to 60 points. It has fallen almost 100 points. So and it is closed around 18,082. And if you look at the exchange Nifty yesterday made a low of 18,000, almost 18,003, and a high of 18,235. It has fallen continuously, and now it is trading around 18,010. So it indicates our market may open 50 to 60 points of gap down. So it is nothing actually 50 to 60 points, in the sense it's flat almost. So after gap down, maybe our market may recover, or it may trade in between 100 points up and down. So I'm expecting the movement will be very less. So because we don't have most global cues, so expected will be a range bound market. So if you see open interest for Banknifty, you can see both call option as well as put option, you can see writings are there, and very small amount of put option buying you can see. So it indicates even these put options, most of the put options are in the money and at the money put options. Okay, so and see, you can see some lot of unbindings. So the intraday, yes, slight fall will be there, then it will recover, I expected. And so most importantly, today is the expiry day, so volatile will be high on both the sides. So if you see Nifty will be almost similar to Bank Nifty. You can see 18,000 at the money put option buying is there and call option selling is there. So expected it will be a range bound market, and you can deploy and fly today so for a good results. And if you see next week, that is you can see lot of put option buying on November 10th, that is next week expiry. So market may fall, but it will not fall much. Maybe it will return back by 17,500. But you can see next week expiry Bank Nifty, it's a lot of put option buying you can see. Okay, and they are almost written call option. So I'm holding put option in monthly expiry in Bank Nifty. So hope I'll be exiting with some good profit. So if you see the support and resistance level on daily support, on daily you can see for Nifty, once Nifty broken 18,000, so then you can see 17,000, today it will be opening around here. So once it is broken, then 17,900 and 865 are the support. And intraday, you can see the 50-day moving average, we started downfall. Once it cut 100-day moving average, you can see some more fall. And super trend is already started indicating a negative. And if you look at the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty that once it is broken 41,000, then 40,500 will be the support. You can see here. So once it is broken 41,000, so 40,800 and 40,600 are the immediate supports. So I'm expecting today it will break 41,000 by market opening itself, and expecting some more downfall. So hope you enjoy watching video. So if you are not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates whenever I'm posting a new video. Okay, so account opening link is available in description. You can make use of it. Alice Blue Demat and free Demat and trading account, and workshop details are given in website. Website address is given in description. So you can use of it. Okay, so thank you friends. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again with a new video.